Hey everybody, we have radishes to harvest, so let's get busy. Well, good morning everybody. Today we are smack dab in the middle of my radish patch. So let's get these rows harvested and then I'll get them cut up and get a weight on them. And then I'll share that with you and we will be back in a few minutes. So what you'll see that I did a little bit different this year or this time around in this season. I've already grown 2 sets of radishes. This is my 3rd iteration. What I did was I made mounds about 16 inches wide, and then I put 3 furrows down, 1 on each side and 1 down the center. So they're about 4 feet long. So that gives me 12 feet and 12 feet. So that gives me 24 feet of radishes. And that looks to me like a radish. So I'm gonna pull all these up, and then we're gonna chop them up and see where we're at. So stick around. Okay, so a really quick backstory before I take these over to my work table and get them all, take my paring knife and get them all cut up. These mounds will now be smoothed out. Tomorrow, I'm harvesting my red and my sweet white onion, which then is going to leave me room to put short rows here of green beans. And then I can put 2 long rows and 2 short rows of more green beans. Because like I said, these are the fun things to grow. They grow quick. You can harvest quick and have great salads and roast them and pickle them, whatever. But the beans and the potatoes are what I'm harvesting to get us through the winter. But this is the fun stuff. And these came out really good. I was very careful that I planted them about 3 inches apart. And you can see it paid off. I didn't just toss them in the furrow. I took my time, and it was a big payoff. I already have over half a pound from my other small patch I harvested this morning. So what we're going to do is I'm going to get these over to the work table, and we'll get busy. So thank you everybody for being here. So you can see I got a really nice harvest on my radishes. And then I also have all of these radish greens that are going to go into compost. So I usually eat them, but I have so many radish greens. I have greens for my son. I have turnip greens. I just can't eat anymore. So these are compost and these are for eating. So thanks for spending your time with me. I'm going to go get a weight and I'll put that at the end. Have a good one.